Hello traders and welcome back to the Forex Geek. Today we will be looking at the buzzer indicator for MT4, how it works, how to interpret it on your chart, and who it's best suited for. So we already have it installed on the chart. The buzzer indicator for MT4 is a trend tool that uses a modified moving average line which changes color to highlight shifts in market direction. It helps traders visually see bullish and bearish conditions on their charts, and it can trigger alerts for sound, email, or push notifications. So it's very simple to interpret. It appears on the chart as a single line that changes color to reflect directional bias. For example, as you can see, when the color turns red, it means that we are bearish, and when the color is green, it means that we are bullish and we should be looking for buying opportunities. So traders can use these color changes to quickly read momentum and trend direction in real time. The indicator can also provide alerts, like I said. I'll be looking at the indicator settings. You can see you can set the alert here. This is where you set the alerts. You can also change the color. Maybe you don't want the green color, you could change it to a different color. And here you can also set the time frame you want it to show on. Preferably, it's best to use this indicator on the higher time frame, at least 1 hour time frame and above. So that is that for the settings, and once you're done setting, just click OK. The buzzer indicator is best for traders who want a simple visual trend cue, especially scalpers, but day traders who focus on the 1 hour time frame they should use this indicator because it's best suited for them. It can also be adapted for swing trading when aligned with higher time frame context. Keep in mind that this is a trend tool. It shows directional bias and changes, but does not guarantee entries or exits on its own. Use it with proper confirmation and risk management. If you want to download the buzzer indicator for MT4 or learn more about it, the link will be in the description below. So make sure to check out this indicator on indicator search. We have it. You can just click on the download and put it on your chart and use it to trade. For more indicator breakdowns like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out next upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.